Hey guys, it's Holly, and this video is a little late because I've been super busy, but it is time to open up February's Knitcrate. I'm so excited. You guys know I love getting this every month. I know a lot of people say that they don't like it because they don't like having a choice, but Knitcrate actually gives you a choice of which one you want. I choose not to get a choice because I like the element of surprise, and if I don't like the yarn, I always have my wonderful pineapple people to give it to, so I don't stress out too much about it. So Knitcrate is a monthly subscription box. I probably should have said that first. And they have all kinds of different, this is called the membership crate, which will have any kind of yarn in it, from fingering all the way up to bulky, and it's their in-house yarn. But they also have like Malabrigo, they have a sock crate, they have so much, something for everybody. You should definitely go check it out. If you haven't got a chance to check it out, please use my link down below and use code pineapple20 on your first order to get 20% off. Okay, so I haven't opened this like I always, I don't know the colors, you guys. I know it's like a white with speckles this month, but I don't know which, I really don't know. I've been so busy, you guys. But all I did was cut it to be open. Sorry, my cat has gotten outside and she's running around the yard like a crazy person. Anyways, so I'm gonna open it and show it to you guys first. Let's see. That cat's crazy. All right, I can't see, there's a paper. I'll try to open the paper. Can you guys see it? What do we get, you guys? Oh, a blue. Oh, it's a blue and a purple speckle. Okay, so this is their in-house brand, Audine Wools, and it looks like this might have been inspired or made by Creative Grandma. You guys know we love Glinda over at Creative Grandma. Okay, so it's their Shine Sport Weight in the color Sky, which is 80% superwash merino and 20% tencel. You get 350 yards, and I got 2 skeins of this. Isn't this pretty? Let me get it up so you can see the speckles. Oh yeah, I remember now. They're working with particular people every month to come up with colors and patterns. So she did this beautiful blue and purple speckle. I love it, you guys. It's really pretty. You get 2 skeins, so pretty. It's really soft too. Considering it's just merino. It's not like alpaca or cashmere, but it's really soft. Oh, cute. Okay. So you always get a little book with the patterns and stuff, which I'll show you, but you always get a little something special too. And today I got a button. Oh, this is beautiful. Let's see, what is this called? Incomparable Buttons on Etsy. Wow. Look at this button, you guys. Let me get it up close. Look at that. And it's heavy. It is a heavy button. Oh, but it's so pretty, but it's really, camera. Look how big it is though. Like, it would be a massive button on a project, but it's so pretty. I wonder, it looks like it's made out of clay, like she made this herself and hand painted it. Stunning. I'm gonna go check her out because I've never heard of her. But that's the best thing about Knitcrate, is you get stuff you've never seen before. Okay, so this is the book. Look. Let me see what the other colors were. Okay, so it says that it was Creative Grandma. Here she is. Hi Glinda, we love you. And let's see. Here are the 3 colors you could have got in this one's crate. Let me hold it up like this. There we go. So I obviously got this one. They had a brownie greens and a pinkies. I think they're all really, really great. And then in the sock yarns, they had these ones, really pretty. Now let's find the patterns. Okay, so there is a crocheted sock or a crocheted fingerless gloves. Oh, and a hat. Gloves and a hat. That's the pattern that comes. Oh, that's really cute. Love it, you guys. I haven't made any of the patterns yet, but I'm not saying I wouldn't make any. So I really do love these yarns. And Glinda, you did a wonderful job coming up with these colors. I love it. It's so pretty. Okay. And then on the back of the book, they give you the inspiration for next month. So March's inspiration is Wanderings, or Wanderings. Here we go. Let's put it up. I'm trying to make sure it comes in. This is the inspiration photo. So I don't know what they're gonna go with there. There's everything from emerald green to kind of some mustardy yellow. You guys know I love mustard yellow, so I'm in on that one. But You guys, I love Knitcrate. I have so much fun getting it every single month. I would highly recommend it to everybody. It's just fun because you're checking your mail and you're like, bills. And then all of a sudden, this adorable little blue box shows up. And you get yarn in it, and it's always fun to try new yarn. And you know, try it for a month or two. You might love it just as much as I do. Like I said, there is a link down below. And if you want to use Pineapple 20, Pineapple 20, you'll get 20% off your first order. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.